Hey there.
I'm Stacia.
I'm Mikey B.
This is level 1. This was week 4, and we had some fun. We're getting into the good stuff for level 1. So we did a quick review of this.
1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and circle it up. 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
We all did great. We were getting focusing on that last triple step at the end, picking that up a lot. And then we did the same thing, but we just ended up looping swing outs, open to open.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
And then
7,
from open.
8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
On a loop. And follows, we talked about actually putting in swivels or twists or whatever you want to call them. So we did a little exercise that you can do at home, which is putting a twist on the 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2.
Yep. In meters, we worked on our positioning quite a bit. Really focusing on 5, 6. We really have to make sure that we're opening up on the 5 into the 6. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Open 5, back 6. Triple step. Remember, shoulders go first. Triple step, shoulders, and then your legs follow. Just remember that over and over.
It was a recurring theme that 1 and the 5 end up being very important. There's one other thing that we did with the follows, which is to go down the line. If you were there, you know what I'm talking about. I'm going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. End up looking at the direction that I started and gradually turn to my right throughout. And that helped us to be available to be caught within the swing out, facing our knee foot going one direction. If you were there, you know what we're talking about. We did one other new thing, which is glide to the side, and we did them from close. We might try them from open in the future. They look like this.
5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4.